So today we'll see that how to show your index.php, see your index.php in browser, and maybe many of you already know about this, but maximum know just about the XAMPP server and just copy and pasting in the XAMPP htdocs and then your folder name, or directly pasting it here. But I also used to do the same from my school time, from class 8th and till now, no, from 2020 I think, I don't remember that. But this is the path I have used the second way, but I will show you the first way, that is this. And Laravel also uses the same thing, PHP server RTCN, and I learned this about learning Laravel, that I am currently learning about, because PHP hosting is cheap. I taken hosting on Hostinger. I will also create videos about Hostinger. You can see the dashboard here and see the stuff that I am creating articles. I may create videos on that later. And you can see the toggle search engine things, etc. Just like if I'll search my ss20 Raj username, okay, then if I want to switch the browser and see in other browser, switch the search engine and see whether other search engines have ranked my website or not, I can just go to this and change the search engines and see what other search engines have ranked my website. And you can also use for different purposes, and I think Bado is banned in India, and let's ignore the Bado. And this is Yandex, and I genuinely will say that Yandex search engine is very very good, and please don't ignore it and go with it. Rank your website here, because I get maximum traffic on my website from Russia, and this is Yandex website, and yandex.ru, you will get it from .ru. And later I will show you that how you will get. And this is my website. Let's search for, I also give you the bonus informations or extra informations. You can also skip this from the timestamps, and if timestamps are not given in the description, just create it in the comments. I will just copy paste in my description. So thanks, let's skip this. What was our topic? Our topic was to search this. Okay, so let's open VS Code, and PHP must be installed on your computer. And let's Ctrl J and open a random folder, and for that we just have to write php-s and our local host with the port number. I will go with 4000, and let's click enter, and our development server is started. And here is our index.html, and we can also rename it to .php, and add PHP echo unique. Unknown function called unique. Okay, if we will view source, we will definitely see this. Let's refresh, and this is the thing. We have given it 100 height, which 100 vh, so that's why it's not showing. You can also see this later, the fix the CSS and then see this. But our topic is to just show the PHP in a single file, and let's try to add another PHP file, that is, let's say, header .php and let's php echo our header part, and let's close this and let's include header.php and let's refresh, and header is also integrated and it serves just like the XAMPP server and it works very well. And I'm not showing you about the XAMPP server here, and I just created a video about the adding 3D models to your website, and that is rendering now. Currently I will upload it, and I am now creating this video about PHP, and this is the you can also watch the video that how to add 3D models to your website. And this is self promotion, of course. Yeah, self promotion, that's necessary, and you can visit our blog website and learn so many things from here. And let's close this, and you can also visit our GitHub, Twitter, whatever you want, wherever you want, whatever. And this is, let's search for PHP. I forgot, bro, I used it so many years ago. PHP unique ID. Okay, it's unique ID. Is there any eval in PHP? Let's add a dot here. Yeah, we are getting unique IDs. That's PHP. And let me use the power of PHP in my APIs. I like PHP, I love PHP. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the video. If you know any, if you want to know about any topic related to coding, development, DSA, whatever the means, everything, just comment it out. And WordPress, Blogger, everything, to scrap any website, create an API, hack HTML, CSS, JavaScript, one-shot videos, whatever you want. GitHub Actions, I am also creating this, github.com, this, just comment and I will try to create. I created a learned this thing tomorrow and created a website. I will not show you the link, but let me show you dev art. Okay, so this is the website, and I am also creating this YouTube remote uploader where people can just use GitHub Actions to upload for free. It's free, and the action will run by GitHub and your servers will be not costed it, and you can upload your remote videos to YouTube directly. And this is the repository you can find. You can also contribute it here, but I don't think I will take the contribution. And this is the website. I scrapped the dev.to API. I will not say scrap, it's the official API. And let's load more, and this is the normal website I have created, the loading and this thing. I used the showdown CSS that I had created. This is the showdown CSS for styling our normal HTML file, and this is just a HTML file and we styled it. It has different themes. You can although use different themes here, and you can also contribute your theme here. Let's close this. Lot of self promotion. I will add other things also, just like image here and other details. And you can see Google have ranked so many of our websites pages, and this all data is coming from the dev2 website, and you can check out there. And you can see Google can run, this is the proof that Google can run JavaScript on their server. And we'll click and if I will just view source, and it's nothing here. You will see it's nothing. No data. All the title is also this, but as if you know React and the users of React, this is normal. Google runs easily React on their servers, and if I will go back, you can see I work with React, so I need the description, the title, and it automatically grabbed it from the loaded content. And I think there's some glitch. I will fix it later. That's not the topic of video. Topic is this. I extended it a lot. So thanks for watching the video, and this video is also exporting. Let's go.